Can you use honey to help with keeping your skin clear? And can it help with the scars caused by a breakout of acne? Hi and welcome to 3-Minute Health. Today we will be looking at honey and if it can help with acne and the scars left after an acne breakout. We will examine whether it's better to use raw or processed honey. Honey has been used by many cultures around the world for the last 8,000 years. Our ancestors soon realized it had many beneficial properties, from helping to relieve a cough or sore throat, through to helping wounds heal faster. For general skin care and acne, it is always best to use raw honey. Most off-the-shelf honey has been pasteurized to improve the color, texture, and prevent crystallization. Unfortunately, pasteurization kills most of the healing properties of honey. You can normally find raw honey at a farmer's market or a good local health food store. Raw honey is high in antioxidants, as well as having antifungal and antibacterial properties. Raw honey has been found to speed up the skin's healing process. It is also a natural exfoliator, taking away dead and dry skin cells, allowing a fresh layer of skin to come to the surface. You can add many things to honey, such as cinnamon, garlic or avocado, and apply it to your skin for various results. Some people make a face mask from honey and oatmeal, and apply it to the whole face. If you decide to make a honey mix to apply to your face, make sure you do a patch test first in case you have an allergic reaction. If you want to use raw honey without adding anything to it, the procedure is very easy. First, make sure your face has been cleaned of all cosmetics and is dry. Then simply apply the honey to the affected part of your face with a cotton wool ball. Leave for 30 minutes. And then wash off with warm water. Gently dry your face and leave cosmetic free for 1 hour. The next recipe is honey and tea tree oil. The anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties found in tea tree oil can kill the bacteria that cause acne. 1. Clean and dry your face. 2. Add 2 tablespoons of raw honey into a bowl. 3. Add 4 drops of tea tree oil into the same bowl. 4. Mix together. 5. Apply to the affected area. 6. Wait for 10 minutes. 7. Rinse off with warm water. You can do this 3 to 4 times a day until your acne clears up. Acne can be a very troubling problem for some people, and a honey mix may not work for everyone, but we hope you found this video helpful. We have a link to a free ebook in the description below, called Preventing Acne. It has a few more natural remedies in it. Or if you would like something a bit more in depth, there is also a link for how to win the war on acne. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all our latest content.